Hello, my name is Emily Cartwright, and this is Culinary 1200 Intro to Breakfast and Lunch Cooking. And today we'll be making a French style omelet. So, for this omelet, the mise en place is just egg, chives, and butter. Now, we're going to start off by prepping our eggs, which is 3 cracked eggs, separately put in a bowl and then put in our mixing container. We're doing this to each egg because if we combine them in one and our last one happens to have blood vessels or any sort of contaminants in it, then we can't use any of the eggs. And why waste it when you can just do a little step to make it a little bit easier in case something happens. So here we've got all 3 eggs in our mixing container. We're going to go ahead and start to fork whisk it. Now this is just to make sure everything's combined. We don't want any yellow bits. We want it all mixed. We're going to go ahead and start that. It will take a little bit. Alright, and after we're done whisking it with the fork, we're going to go ahead and add salt and white pepper. We're using white pepper so we don't have any discoloration from black pepper or any other colored spices, because they want to keep it a nice yellow tone. So when we're prepping this pan, we're not going to use oil, we're going to use butter. Now this is to make sure the flavor goes into the eggs, adding a little more flavor instead of just the salt and pepper. Now when this pan is heated, we're going to pour our eggs in and then immediately start to whisk it. And just make sure it's all cookingly fast and evenly. So then we're going to go ahead and start to fold it 1/3 of the way. And then we're going to fold it over one more time so everything is combined. We're going to let that cook for a few seconds just to make sure the eggs reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to put this on a plate and we're going to start to form it. Now this is going to be a tamale kind of shape. It's going to be nice, long, and rounded. We're going to prep this with plating by using the leftover butter that we had, and then we're going to top it with chives. There we go. Cutting it in half, you should still have some moisture in there. The egg should be just a little bit runny. The flavor wasn't too salty and it was nice and buttery. 10 out of 10, absolutely amazing.